1, 2, and away we go. Hey, it's your old buddy Ian here. 1 minute on this Musings of an Energy Nerd book by Martin Holladay. Martin, if you're watching this, holy crap, man, what a great book. When I was renovating an old farmhouse, this book became kind of like my Bible. Obviously, I'm not going to go into super depth about it here. Everything you want to know about a building envelope, energy use, heat loss, wall structures, anything along those lines, solar, etc., is all in this book. And it is in incredible depth and detail. I learned, I mean, in unbelievable amount about how a structure, a home, a building, an envelope works by reading and referencing Musings of an Energy Nerd while I was doing a remodel, and have many, many times since then. Absolutely excellent book. I believe it's part of the Towtown Press, which I probably mispronounced, which is the Fine Home Building people. So Fine Home Building people, if you're watching, you're welcome. Musings of an Energy Nerd, all about the building envelope and energy use in homes and other structures, by Martin Holladay. I highly recommend it. There's probably a link down there somewhere. That's 1 minute. It's over 1 minute. This book is great. You should get it if you're in the building world. Have a great day.